wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show.
What is up guys? Andito ako ngayon sa Pandi, Bulacan. Gusto ko i-share sa inyo tong isang unit na binebenta. Ito ay isang Isuzu Elf mini dump truck. Working guys ang aircon nito, no? Sa mga nagtatanong, ang ulo nito ay Giga. Kung makikita nyo rin ang loob nito guys, malinis pa. Ito ay 2015 model. Ang height ng kanyang sidings ay 53. Meron rin po yung Japan na rim cover na teardrop. Ito po ay camel chassis. Kaya pwede po sa kargahan na mabibigat. Ayan ang kanyang bed. Maganda pa. Kompleto guys ang papeles ng unit na to. Tignan nyo guys ang gulong nito, no? Makakapal pa. Ito, i-close up natin para makita nyo. So again guys, kung may interesado dito sa unit na to, no? Ulitin ko, this is Isuzu Elf mini dump truck, 4HG1 engine, camel chassis. Kung makikita nyo ng personal guys, maganda pa ang unit na to, no? So again guys, this is Kulas Moto. Salamat sa panonood ng aking bagong video. See you again on my next vlog. Thank you. God bless.